if you see the lady the way he dress, you have that feeling because you know who knows it, who feels it. You know when you enter here what you will get, what is the taste is. So I mean, if a lady is dressing the way that is not accepted, you may have that feeling. And you have to approach her. If you don't want to, then you can just go to other channels according money. I know in these days money speak. Then after that, maybe you lie for her, you have no money, you see? And you doing sex, and after you finish, and she's asking, okay, where's the money? No, man, I was just lying to you. I was just seeing the way you dress, and then you make me feel that I can enter you. So, I mean, there's the way the rapes come from, the way of dressing. And even a pants is not made for the women. A women must dress a long dress. Thank you.
You were